Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, yes, I'm doing another Shein haul. I know I've done so many at the moment, but they've got such good stuff and I just want to keep showing you. Like every time I find something good, I'm like, yes, add to basket. But I thought I'd do a more autumn winter. This video is sponsored by Shein, so thank you for that. However, you know, as all my videos, opinions are my own. I would not lie to you. If I think something's bad, I still say it. I also have a discount code I'll leave on screen now. You can get some money off. I'd really appreciate it if you use it. I don't earn any money from it, but it helps. I think that's everything I want to say, so let's get into this awesome winter Shein haul. So, starting off, let's talk about the thing I've got on first, just because I will forget. Do I look like a snow queen? This is my favourite piece ever. It was actually one of my backup items in case anything else was out of stock, and now it's my favourite. I feel like I say that every Shein haul, like things that I don't have much potential in are my favourite. I wanted one of these like fluffy cardigans with the fur collar and the fur like sleeves for so long, but I just haven't picked one up. I've seen people wear green ones and they look so good. I wanted, you know, just a classic cream. So it's got the cable knit here. It is a bit of an awkward length, like either you're long or you're cropped, but it's just like a bit under my belly button, which is a bit weird. It's fine. Really nice quality, not itchy. This fluff, because it's not real fur, it's so soft, like literally so soft, but I love how big it is. I think it looks really cute, and then same with the collar as well. Do you guys miss me doing my Shein hauls on a rail? I feel like my Shein hauls on a rail are so much better. I just love them. I much prefer to hold up the pieces and then do a try on clip. Let me know what you think, because I've been doing like styling videos, but I don't know, let me know. Anyway, my skirt is also from Shein, but it's not in this haul, it's from my last haul, and then I just paired it with some little pattern tights and some black boots. Fluff is going everywhere, but it's fine. Right, next item. As you can see here, I've got a couple coats. Your simple, typical black puffer jacket. However, this is very oversized, so if you do want a really big, warm coat, this will do it. The quality is so good. So good. Shein's coats are just great quality. They just are, like, you can't even knock it. Such good quality. Things like this go with absolutely everything. Like if I wanted a jacket for this, I would just chuck on this black puffer. It is more on the oversized. I did grab the smallest size, but it still is quite big. But it's not oversized where it looks silly. It's like the cute oversized. Just chucking hoodies and jeans under this is just a good look, but you can literally wear a black puffer with absolutely everything. It's something you need in your wardrobe basically. And then we've got the brown coat here. These are actually different coats. Talk to me about this chocolate brown puffer. Now I have a chocolate brown gilet that absolutely everyone is obsessed with. That's from Zara, by the way. This is literally that, but with long sleeves. So happy I've got this. Stuck to my size, just got an extra small, and it's a good oversized. Could have sized up, but it's still like bulky, you know what I mean? But with the chocolate brown or like nude outfit, this would be unreal. Like this is my new autumn winter coat. Like it's gonna go with everything. Oh yeah, if you're new to the channel, by the way, I do whiz through my hauls. Like I don't do the whole knit and now. I do that, but like I don't sit here holding a piece for like 5 minutes and talk about it. I show you it, I tell you if it's good or not, we go. If you don't like that, sorry. And then the last of the puffers. Why are they sitting so ugly? I literally can't hang things. This comes in so many colours. Comes in black, cream, a brown, you name it, they've got it in 1,000 colours. Just wish it wasn't black on the inside. Just ruins it a tad. Wish that was cream. Again, good quality. Same as all 3 of these coats. I feel like these 3 colours you need for autumn winter, because you've got your creamy, or you could get a white, but a creamy, chocolate brown and black. So many outfits, nudes, chocolates, blacks, whites. So a puffer and a tracksuit is just a go-to. And if you suit hats, first of all, you're lucky, and 2, a hat would go great with these. This jacket on the hanger looks a bit weird, but on, you'll see my vision. A bit longer than I wanted. I did want to wear this as like a dress. It has got a belt, not a dress, like, you know when you put leggings and then a coat over? I do like the accents of black. Wrap the belt round with some either black faux leather leggings or some cream ones, or like ribbed leggings or whatever. Would look really nice with some white boots, very winter vibes. It's just a normal like wool quality, but it's really thick. Guys, this haul is the best I've ever done. Like the quality of this stuff, you're not ready. But I just wanted to dupe for Zara on, to be honest. I thought I'd try one from Shein instead. Of course, you know I love a blazer. This is more of like a camel colour. I I did want a light beige colour blazer. I'm still on the hunt for it. I haven't found one that I want. It's just a long line blazer with some black accents on it again. When there's black on things, just play on it. You can wear black under it. Like normally you wouldn't pair light colours with black that often. You can wear a bodysuit under this again with faux leather leggings or jeans. They're also winter staple as well. Shein actually sell those. Also some trainers or some boots. Cute outfit. You can wear this winter wonderland, or you can wear this blazer to work if you wear blazers to work and you fancy. This I'm so excited about. Look at that. That looks a bit weird. Oh, I just got my lip gloss on it. That looks a bit weird. This, I need you to come close a sec. Look at the quality of that. Can you see? Corset Jacket, unreal. Literally unreal. The fact that it's got like the thick stitching to like cut the boobs, and then the corset vibes, and it's so soft. It's like a soft cord material, but oh, it comes with a top. I didn't even realise that, because in the picture this is just in the picture this is just zipped up, so I didn't know it come with a top too. So that's even cuter. It just comes with plain little chocolate brown zip up. Oh yeah, I didn't even say the fact that it's chocolate brown. Wow, that's unreal. Love this so much. With some ribbed leggings to go with the ribbedness. Chocolate brown leggings or cream leggings. This makes me excited. Like with this cream jacket and you wore cream leggings with that, that would look great. Same with the chocolate brown or the black. I love this. Oh, it comes with a hood as well. I've got to tell you that. I don't really care for the hood, but it's cute to have, I guess. Talking of ribbed leggings, I feel like everyone is on the seamless hype again this winter. Last year, everyone got on the seamless hype, and we've come back round. This is the same material as them ribbed racer tops. These are so thick. Everyone goes for the Zara seamless sets. Okay, well, Shein have them too, so thank you. This colour, I'm not really a fan on. What would I wear you with? You're like a dusty blue grey. I don't know. I would make use out of them. Like I am. You. I'm going to make children with you. Beautiful chocolate brown. And then the cream. Even these leggings with this. Oh, that's cute. They're so thick, good quality, not see-through, just amazing. You do have to wash them on a delicate wash, otherwise they do go a bit bubbly. These are amazing. They've got them in so many colours and they're just so soft. Oh, I should probably show you. I mean, you're going to see them in the triangle clip, but you know, here they are. Just a typical seamless ribbed legging. I don't know, you're going to see them on the triangle clip anyway, but I will be styling these so much on my TikTok. If you haven't tried Shein's gym wear already, you absolutely should. I got this set from this brand, oh, I can't remember who from, but it was a black set. And I wear these leggings all the time and they make your booty look amazing. Do say so myself. It does come in a set, but I wear it all the time, and then I was like, where else am I going to get these leggings? Because like you need more than one pair of leggings, and I'm chucking them in the wash like there's no tomorrow. But now I realise this is basically the same material as that set, and it has like the same labelling, so I think they've got them from the same manufacturer. They do this in black, so I'm going to get it in black so I have loads of pairs of them leggings. Cropped stone beige gym top. Won't wear it as a gym top, we'll just wear it as a cute little cord. Again with these two coats, free coats. Little leggings with it as well. Make your bum look lovely. Thick waistband. I mean, if you worked out in them, which probably would do you good. Got this dress here. Racer mesh ruched everything dress. This you'll need to see on. I'm thinking of styling this with, what does this say? I hate what it says. Oh my god, too rad to be sad. That's really gross. I hate cringe sayings, but you can't tell. Oh no, it has so many. It says stay groovy. Cringe. Anyway, I'm hoping this isn't too long. I think it's just a ruched moment. I thought this was really cute. Looks great on the model, as everything always does. Will it look great on me? We're going to find out. Really nice, you know, just it's lined, but it's got the mesh on the top. So I've got this little dress, and then I've got this dress here. Very similar to that jacket I showed you with the corset vibe, so the under boob thing. This I really don't think it's going to fit me, because just the way the waist is, I don't think it's going to fit me at all. Might be surprised. Fairly nice quality, just your typical rib. Don't reckon it's see-through. Oh, maybe a little bit. Nothing too bad. White high knee boots or cream high knee boots, this will look really cute with. Still, or if you wore this cardigan over the top, That might look cute. It would just look really nice for autumn winter, and it's chocolate brown, so you can't really go wrong. These two dresses. Got this little top here, very Motel Rocks vibes. It's like, you know the pattern that was in all summer, that abstract print? It's that, but in autumn version. So it's got your whites, your browns, your blacks. Great with the outfit I've got on now, the black skirt type vibe with the tights and boots, or you can wear this with flares or black jeans. Collar and the buttons going up. It doesn't do up all the way, but I like a little bit chest out just to make it just a little bit cuter for me. I just really like this. I just thought with flares and stuff like that, it would just look nice. And I needed more tops for autumn winter, you know, with the long sleeve. Well, this top would be great, and it's really cute. It's backwards, but there you go. If you haven't been living under a rock, varsity jackets are the thing at the moment. I feel like they always come and go. Baby blue, little varsity jacket with the white, stripy sleeves that are cuffed with the white buttons. So glad they're white buttons and not just normal metal, because then it intertwines with the white. White tracksuit, white top and shorts if you're feeling brave like me. Quality is a nylon. It does, being honest, feel cheaper than my other varsity jackets. They do feel a bit thicker, will keep you a lot warmer. I reckon this will keep you warm if you have like a hoodie under it. I don't reckon you could just wear a top under it and it just be warm enough. I mean, if your boyfriend's name starts with an R, then you can represent them. That would be really cute. I would size up though, because this is an extra small, and with varsity jackets you do want them a bit more oversized, so I would size up in this. Let's take a little break from some clothes for the minute. Go on to some shoes. Got two pairs of shoes to show you. So I've got these clear, no I haven't, it's because the heel's clear. The heel's clear, but nude little strappy shoes. I love the look of the heels that go over the toe. I think they look so cute, make your toes look cute. On a night out, not so cute. They kill, but they look good for pictures and stuff. I got an orange pair of these from Shein before. I wore them on a night out, was great. Absolutely fine. Didn't hurt, was so comfortable. The heels don't feel cheap in general, like they're really cushioned and soft. Shein heels, I've got so many pairs, they're so lovely. I would recommend them to everyone. But now I've got a nude pair because I needed a new pair of heels in my, I was about to say laboratory, what's inventory? Inventory. You aren't ready. My dad's not so keen on these. He said it really reminds him of Austin Powers. I love that for me. I love Austin Powers, so I will take that. My last Shein haul, again, always referencing my old Shein hauls, but you just need to watch them all. If you haven't watched all my videos already, you should. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that fun stuff. I got these in pink last time. I got them in this bright aqua blue. I love pops of colour in my wardrobe. I just think they look great. Same comments as last time, but if you haven't seen that already, just feel a little bit cheap up here. Just a bit too plasticky, but it's very PU, which I like, so I like how shiny it is. But the actual shoe itself, comfortable. The heel, very chunky, like it's sturdy. And it's got the zip up, which is great. I hate slip-on boots. My big calves can't do that, I just don't like it. I love these. These are great, and I just think pops of colour, even though they're more bright, just add them to your wardrobe. They're just nice, aren't they? Sheen Jeans, talk about them in every Shein haul. I can't remember whether these are petite or not. Shein have brought out a petite range. Just your typical blue jean with a couple jagged rips in them. Not too many. I might rip these a bit more if I like the fit and stuff. Yeah, typical blue jeans. Great. I love Sheen Jeans anyway, and the petite section is amazing. Little co-ord now. First co-ord of the haul. And I think this might be a little bit too big. Haven't tried it on. Cropped blazer. If the skirt doesn't fit, I will wear this religiously, like pop of colour. And then it's got the wraparound thing. Again, if I don't like that, I'll just cut it off. And then the skirt, I just reckon gonna be too big for me. Got a little slit in it, which is nice. I was thinking with some orange boots or cream boots would just look really nice. The quality is okay. It doesn't feel cheap. I just can't explain it. I don't know, it's the same as any other brand, to be fair. It's not just because it's Shein. Not much to say on it because I'm not that much of a fan on it. I mean, I haven't tried it on. So maybe if I tried it on, I would have more to say about it. But as of yet, I'm not sure. We'll see with my reaction in the try on clip whether I'm going to like it or not. Again, if you've watched my other Shein hauls, you would have seen I've been getting bags like this recently with the chunky gold chain and then just the fold quilted bag. Obviously Zara sell one very similar, but this is from Shein and it's so much cheaper, and the quality of this is like heavy. Like heavy. Amazing green colour. Green you would associate with summer, I guess, but at the same time, green in autumn, winter is amazing too with a black outfit. I would even wear it with this. Like, this just makes it cute. I What do we think? That's really sweet, isn't it? Just a bit of pop of colour. I'm going to get so much wear out of this. Now for our last item, a coat. I won't be able to get this all in shot. I'm too small for this. It's going to be way too big for me. I'm so sad because I've wanted a long trench coat for ages, but unfortunately I think this is not going to be the one for me because I just think it's going to be too long. But the thing is, the quality is so nice. Like, it's got the turtle shell buttons and it's a lovely cream colour. It's so lovely, but I'm just so petite. If you are taller, you'd love this. Like, this is luxe quality, like heavy, thick. Has it got pockets? I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh, they're fake pockets. No, they're not. I can't tell. I think you might have to break the stitching, then it's fine. And this is really nice, but it's not going to fit me, unfortunately. So everyone, that's the end of my Shein haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I've got so many going up at the moment. Don't forget to use my code. Don't forget to subscribe. Definitely subscribe. I never tell people to do that because I'm like, I don't want to pressure you, but at the same time I should. If you want more Shein hauls, let me know in the comments below. And other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.